Welcome to Blackout Tinting. On Wednesdays, we take you behind the scenes for What's in the Shop Wednesday at all three of our locations. We'll start here at Latrobe. In the window tint bay, we have a, what is this thing, Nissan, and we're tinting the front windows on this one. Right beside it is something we don't tint often, but we do them. This is a Polaris Ranger. We're tinting all the way around, including the full windshield on this for our friend Mike. Over here, we've got some cool cars this week. A BMW M3 Comp. I love these things. This is in for a polish and a ceramic coating. We also tinted the windshield, and it's got a beautiful interior. You have to see it. Carbon fiber accents, red leather with the bucket seats. In front of that is a brand new Z06, full paint protection film wrap, window tint, and a ceramic coating. It's about done. They'll be heading home probably tomorrow. Right beside that, Tesla Model 3. This car came in for a polish, vinyl wrap on the pillars and that sort of roof section, make it a two-tone. Vinyl wrap to the rear spoiler with customer supplied carbon fiber. No, I lied. Not customer supplied, but carbon fiber. PPF on the whole front end, the whole front doors, and a ceramic boost on this. So lots of things happening on this car. A Lexus RX 350, same color that we wrapped the BMW a couple of weeks ago. This is the tech wrap. I call it rose gold. I forget what they call it, some kind of pink. Really cool color. Tech wrap finish is almost as shiny as paint. It's like borderline PPF glossy. Really great reflection. A lot different than like the 3M and Avery materials. Not as removable, not as easily removable as some of those other materials, so there are some trade-offs, but it looks really, really good. In front of that, you guys have seen this week after week, the GT3 RS belonging to our friend Tom. Full PPF wrap, ceramic coating, window tint, basically everything we do. Windshield protection film too, I think. And my Gallardo, we've got all the film off of this. Some film has started to go down. We'll have it done in time for the Pittsburgh International Auto Show. If you guys want to see some cool cars, stop out to the auto show. We always have a great display downstairs on the first floor. This year will be no exception. On the lift, we have an F-150 that we did a full wrap on. And there was an accident or something. We had to go to a body shop or something. So we had to redo a bumper that got painted. And same with the door. And while it was in for those two things, the hood had some stuff that we didn't like, so we wanted to redo it. We always stand behind our work. If something comes in and it's not up to our standard, we'll redo it until it is. So that's what we're doing right now. That's why we're removing the film off of that. And in the wash bay, we have a Chevy Colorado. So this is a unique situation. It comes up every few months. Basically, customer said, hey, this coating isn't doing what the coating is supposed to be doing. It's not beating water. What happened in this case, and most of the time, probably 98% of the time, there's something going on where there's something on top of the coating, and sometimes that's a chemical, sometimes that's from brushless car washes that use like waxes and things like that, and it sort of clogs the coating. It sits on top of the coating and it blocks the coating from performing the way that it's supposed to. So literally all we had to do on this is a super deep clean clay bar. Right now he's spraying iron fallout remover to remove any other decontamination that has landed on the coating. But it's performing really, really well. We didn't have to recoat anything. So coatings do need proper care. That basically just means really good hand washing with a pH neutral soap. With proper care, they'll last a really long time. Outside, we've got a Bentley. This one's here for window tint. We don't see a ton of Bentleys. There is a Bentley dealer in Pittsburgh. We see a few of them. Super Duty. This belongs to our friend Dakota. Part of our quality control process, you can see it in action, is we put little pieces of tape. So basically, when we're done with an install for PPF, the vehicle comes outside, natural light shows you bubbles and things like that that you don't see inside. Very normal. Sometimes you see many more pieces of tape than that, but by the time it leaves, everything looks as close to perfect as possible. So every car gets QC'd. This got PPF on the whole front and the rocker panels. It's getting a coating and it got window tint as well. Mitsubishi Outlander here for window tint. And this beautiful truck, Raptor R. If I didn't have to haul stuff, I would definitely have a Raptor R. But they don't haul cars very well. But they're beautiful, they're fast, they're awesome. This one's getting PPF on the front end and the rocker panels and getting a ceramic coating as well. And more QC. Sometimes we actually do it outside, but when it's freezing like this, we mark it and then bring it inside. Tesla Model Y got window tint, PPF. It'll be going in for touch-up here very shortly. And my RS is here. There's some new graphics on it. It says blackout on the wing, blackout on the side instead of GT3 RS. I think it's a cool touch. Check it out at the auto show in a week. See you there. See what's happening in Pittsburgh and Florida.
Hey guys, welcome to Gibsonia. I'm going to take you through the shop, show you what we have this week. Starting off up front, we have this Canyon. This is brand new. It got dropped off to us for a correction and coating as well as front tint. Mark just finished this up and it will be getting picked up later this week, I believe. Moving down, we have this BMW X4. This was here yesterday for PPF. It got the track package coverage, so full front and rocker panels. It just got moved over to Mark, who's going to be doing a correction and coating on it today, and then Cole just wrapped up tinting it as well. This got XR20, it looks like, so it's going to block out a little bit of heat as well as look good. Over here, we have an RS6 Avant. These are really cool cars. This one is from Swickly. We're going to be doing PPF on the front end of it, and you'll also see this at the Pittsburgh Auto Show in our booth if you join us then. Lastly, up front, we have a GT3 RS. This will also be at the auto show. This was in Latrobe for a full PPF wrap and coating. They finished it up and brought it up here. It all looks great. So if you want to check out these cars, come to the auto show and join us. Coming back to the wash bay, we have definitely our first at this shop, Ranger Raptor. This is getting a full PPF wrap. So we're going to cover all of the black paint as well as the stealth paint, the matte finish stuff down like the fender flares and the bumper. That's all getting protected. And then we're going to do a coating on top of it. These are interesting trucks. They're kind of cool. They're smaller than a normal Raptor, but they probably still pack a punch. I couldn't tell you, but I like them. And then over here is another cool car. You don't see too many of these. This is an M6, but what makes this one special is it's a V10 manual. They're all V10s, but this one, they don't make a lot of manuals. This is in here for correction and coating. Mark's gonna get it cleaned up looking nice. There's a lot of swirls on it at the moment. It's an older car. I think it's an 06, but it's gonna look pretty darn close to new when we're done. Back in my bay, we have a car that is very familiar. This is a C8 Stingray, but this one is in a new color. It's called Hysteria Purple Metallic. We have mixed reviews on it at the shop. I think it's an okay color. It's something new that they're trying out. It reminds me of 3M Plum Crazy, so it's kind of dark purple, and then if you get in the light, it's metallic red. So in the sun, I'm sure it looks a whole lot better. This is getting a track package with us, so the full front and the rocker panels. Just finished the full front now. I got to do rockers later on. And then it's going to get over to Mark for a coating, and then they'll pick it up at the end of the week. We have Jeff Lutz's 57. This is the second version of it. This is getting a full wrap. We're just working on it in bits and pieces when we have time. He's waiting on a motor to put in it. So when we finish up the wrap, he's gonna get a motor in it, and then it's gonna go down the track. Lastly, outside we have another race car. This is a BMW 328. It's an older one, I'd guess probably around a 2010. Work on everything. So this is going to be getting a correction and coating. We're gonna be cleaning it all up, get the black paint looking very shiny, and then we're gonna protect it with the coating, and that'll make, you know, burnt rubber and whatnot, track debris fall right off of it. So it's a good option for maintenance. This one's all kitted up inside as a full roll cage. And so yeah, that's everything we have in Gibsonia this week. We're gonna go check out Miami, see what's going on there as well. We'll see you next week.
Today, Ethan and I are at Automotive Systems' new warehouse in Gibsonia, less than a mile down the road from our shop. We're installing Silver 15 on the whole front face of this building to add some privacy for the warehouse and to help cut down on the heat in the summertime. You can see Ethan right now preparing this transom and the door underneath of it to install some film. So on this side here, you can see me. On the other side, you can see straight through. Thanks, guys. We'll see you at another building next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. See what we got going on this week. Here we have this M2 that's receiving a track pack and full interior ceramic coating. Here we have this Urus that was wrapped in stealth back in 2019 in our Latrobe location. Now it's down here in Miami. Customer had a little inconvenience in the front bumper with the fence, and we're gonna go ahead and get that wrapped up for him and taken care of. Still holding up like new. This Lucid is getting a full tint in XR Plus ceramic film. Back and sides are done. Front glass is getting ready to be shrunk. Here this Lucid is completely tinted and ready to go home. Here we have this Kia EV9 getting a full tint in XR Plus, 20% all around with a 55% windshield. Here we have this Model Y that came in for 2 front windows in XR.
We almost forgot two very important cars. I almost didn't walk in front of the building. We've got a black wing. I love this car. Black on black, manual transmission, save the manuals. Freaking awesome. Full wrap tint coating for our good friend Ed. He's always bringing us stuff. We appreciate it more than he knows. And right beside it is a Lexus. We did PPF on the partial front end and a wear and tear package. We want to thank you guys very much for tuning in to us on Wednesday. Thank you for our loyal listeners and watchers. See you next week.